How to change email address in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Now scroll down and you will find email under contact details. Here you will see your current email address. Tap on it to edit. Enter your new email address carefully, making sure there are no mistakes. After entering the new email, tap Save or Continue. You may be asked to verify the change either through a security code or biometric authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. It's always a good idea to double-check that your new email is correct and saved properly. Keeping your contact details updated helps you stay informed about your account activity and important security alerts. Now you know how to change email address in Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.